Alright, so here we have the dreaded P0420 code. Generally this code means that you need a catalytic converter, the cat inefficiency below threshold. You can try clearing this code and driving it. 99.9% of the times you need a cat converter. There's the culprit. This is the reason why this vehicle has a P0420, which is a cat inefficiency code. So basically, whenever you get those codes, the computer is telling you that the cat or catalytic converter is not doing its job. The difference between the front O2 sensor and the back O2 sensor, the readings aren't what they should be. So at this point, just make sure you don't have any leaks at the back of the cat converter that could cause the back O2 sensor to have a faulty reading. The screen looks plugged up. If you compare that to the new one, you see that screen is crystal clear. There's nothing plugged up in there, which is brand new, so it shouldn't be. So that's gonna fix our problem. Alright, rock stars, here's the deal. If you have a cat inefficiency code, pretty much means you're gonna need a cat. You can check into some other things, make sure your engine is running properly, make sure you don't have any intake leaks, anything past the mass airflow sensor. If you have some mass airflow sensor problems or intake leaks. So another thing you want to make sure is you have good spark plugs. Misfire can cause fuel to get into the converter, and that will burn the converter up faster. So you don't want that, so make sure you don't have a misfire. Change your spark plugs. Make sure you properly maintain your vehicle, not only with spark plugs, but with changing the oil and air filter and any type of maintenance the vehicle needs. But normally it's because the O2 sensor was bad, giving a faulty reading, dumping too much fuel into the cat, and that's causing it to go bad. So, and a lot of times these O2 sensors get stuck in there, so sometimes it's just better just to replace it. So I'm going to replace it. I'm not going to take a chance. So if you have any other check engine codes, check out those codes first before you just replace the cat. Cats are pretty expensive, so there's a lot of precious metals in the converter itself. That's why they're so expensive. Generally, you want to get a quality cat too. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Check out some of my other videos, and also like and comment on the video. I'm always open to feedback. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think. And again, thanks for checking out my video.